How to fix 500 internal server error on Character AI. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, scroll down the status bar and make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection over here. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, what you can do is just go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for Character AI application. This is just a process in order to make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, it does not show any update option, which means that we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Character AI application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then tap on delete all data, and if you cannot delete all data, you can just select on clearing the cache. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as this camera, files and media, location. So you just have to go to each files, each options, and then give them that access. And then you can just switch into your Character AI application and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.